Okay guys, so I've bought a transmission jack from SetKit. I'll put the link in the description. Let's see if it's any good. Okay, these are the contents. It seems that I'll have to do some assembly. Well, box is empty. Now the contents are here. I could use some instructions, right? There's absolutely no instructions for this. I'll try to see in the site if they have a clear picture so that I can mimic this, but well, at least the instructions, even if there's no instructions in Portuguese, okay, I understand that, or if you don't have it in English, that would be really bad, but at least a drawing, okay? At least a drawing, it should be part of the package, because I will do this blindly, right? Seems that it had a rough trip here, but okay. Just started and this is not assembled correctly. I understand this is like this probably for packaging use, but this is where my foot should be, so this should be like this and not like this. So I'll have to probably need to remove this. I'm not sure if everybody is able to, or if everybody is expecting to remove this. At least I wasn't. Okay guys, so 20 minutes after I had to remove this valve, okay, to remove it. Then I had to remove this circlip here, push it this way, and now I have this in the correct position. Okay guys, so this is it. Didn't took too long, other than looking for the instructions and actually changing this pedal. It was actually pretty easy, just four casters in there, 4 22mm bolts in here, so 4 of these, and I just put this on. It's not really tightened because I'm assuming that probably I want to rotate this in the future in the car, right? So yeah, that's it. This is only hand tightened also. Now the real problem, or the real issue, is that this is really high, so I don't have a lift for the car, right? So usually what I'm doing right now is to have the car on 4 6-ton jack stands, and the car is way lower than this. So even though this nothing in here is high grade steel or high grade quality, but it's pretty good for what I paid for. It was like 100 and a few euros. Just let me just demonstrate. So it seems to work pretty good, but um, but I won't be able to use it as I was hoping. Um, so I'm really not sure. Well, probably 100 euros wasted, right? But I don't know. Maybe I will use it in another for another time. It actually it looks pretty good. It has some adjustment in here, so I can tilt this, and I also can move this inwards and outwards. So really cool. As I said, unfortunately I won't be able to use it because I was expecting it to be lower, but it seems to be pretty well made. So okay. Well, it's Chinese, pretty well made for the Chinese quality, right? It's not high end in any way. Okay, guys, hope you liked it. If I get to use this, I'll make a video out of it for sure.